Let's say you have the most intelligent, smartest mobile phone, a gadget. It has all the features, but the only problem is it is not charged. So could you see, if there is no charge, it is useless, it is dead. So in such case, what would you do? You would charge your phone, isn't it? And if you want to run small apps, small softwares, want to do small things, maybe a little bit of charging can do for you. But if you want to run big applications, you really have to charge it well. Now, same is the case with this piece of life. What you call this life is also a gadget, and it is the greatest gadget. Why? Because it has created all the gadgets that you see in your life. What you call your body, mind, emotions, even they need energy. Now my question to you is, do you know a science to charge this gadget? Whether you are someone who is going through poverty, illness, depression, stress, failure, it is nothing, just a consequence of low energy. It is one of the expressions of low energy in life. And if you're someone who is experiencing vitality, abundance, success, name, fame, it is just another form of higher energy expressing itself in your life. Well, how about if you gain access to this mindfulness and awareness that what really gives you energy and what takes your energy? What if you come to know that what can really make you gain, retain and not drain energies in your life? Will not be your life, will be more healthier and happier. Will not be the growth and success be your constant companions in your life. Well, over the last 1 decade, I have uncovered many ancient and scientific tools from different modalities of well-being in the world, and I have packaged them into one single course for you. Yes, for you. Using which not only you can let go of all the toxic patterns, all the things that are eating your energy, but at the same time, you'll be able to gain access with what and how you can increase the energy of your body, mind and emotions every day in every way. And as a result, you'll be able to create a life of overall well-being, a life full of health, happiness and abundance. See you in the course.